Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info. In today's video, I'll show you the natural language search in gallery on Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. So as you guys can see, I've got my Z Fold here. Now what we want to do is open up the gallery. And after we open the gallery, we need to go over here. Here's the main page. Now click on the search icon and click on what are you looking for. Now here what we can search for is, let's say, flowers. Let's see if something will pop up. If not, then we're just gonna go for electronics. It's right here. And here we have our first phone, second phone. We got some wired headphones, a flower, but I'm pretty sure they were talking about the keyboard that is behind. Now here we got a lot of PC stuff like monitors, and here we also have a monitor and a laptop. So now what else can we look for? Here we have the indoor areas, people. We can basically click it and it will find, let's say, armchairs. It will find an armchair. Desktop computers, it also found it. I do not have many pictures here, so that's why I cannot find anything. But as you guys can see, I've searched for the keyboards now, and here we have a keyboard in the background, and here we also have a keyboard from a desktop and a keyboard from a laptop. So this is basically how the natural language search looks like, and I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.